Hi there guys, and welcome to my new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you a simple way on how you can increase your YouTube views by utilizing Reddit. So this is a method that I use for myself and to grow my channel, and it consists of three things. So the first thing is that I'm doing a little research on Reddit topics. Then I find new and trending posts, and then I give my contribution by explaining certain things to those posts so that it does not look as self-promotion. So this method was very useful to me, and by using this method I managed to grow my channel, and I'm now going to show you how my views jumped from an average of 60 or 70 per day to over 200 in just a couple of hours. So let us jump to the video. Alright, let me now jump to YouTube, and I also invite you here to visit my channel and visit videos that I'm posting, because in this section you're going to find a lot of useful videos on make money online and freelancing niche, and there will be many more to come, so just check it out. And if you like some of my content, don't forget to support me by subscribing and liking my videos. Also, don't forget to leave comments in the comment section below. Now let's head back to home, and here on this Channelytics I'm going to show you some key facts about this channel. So here we see that I haven't been performing very well for the past month. You see here in November I didn't gain much views in any of these periods, but at the end of November and start of December I started climbing, then a little bit of decline, and then twice as more views than usual. So this is from December 7th, and now it is December 8th, and on December 8th it will be twice as much even than this. So what I did to increase my views and increase them organically, it was Reddit's responsibility. So let me now show you in the analytics here in YouTube Studio, so that you can see also how my subscribers changed. So once I head here to analytics and go here to audience, here in subscribers we're going to see that from December 5th to December 7th I gained over 22 subscribers in just 2 days by just using this method on Reddit. So let's go to Reddit. So once on Reddit you're going to see that there are tons of these topics that people are posting, that pretty much anything which is on their mind is going to be posted by someone on Reddit, so you can utilize their opinions and thinking to gain new views and increase your YouTube views. Okay, here where you see this home drop down menu, you can just scroll down, and here there are going to be subreddits that you have been subscribed or joined to. And for the example of this video I'm going to choose this YouTubers because it is most closely related to what I'm going to show you today. So here on this subreddit people are usually asking technical questions or content questions or pretty much anything that a new YouTuber is facing. So you can choose which content is going to be displayed by either these filters on top or by clicking on these flares. So I'm just going to hit new so that Reddit can sort all those new posts here, and I'm just going to hit content. So here in content it is going to show me all of these posts by people, and all of these are going to be pretty much new posts. So what we want to do here is that we want to find those posts that have a lot of comments or that are trending. So what you can do is you can hit this rising, and Reddit is going to curate them for you. And this is how I get my videos actually watched. For example, I'm going to enter this topic here, is that SEO help to grow your channel? Yeah, kind of grammatical error, but it doesn't matter. What we're gonna do is we're going to read what people are actually saying about this and how I can contribute to it. So this man is asking about SEO to help grow his channel, and other people are usually writing down something that can contribute to his question, or at least give a sneak peek into the answer what he's looking for. So this one is saying that SEO that can help YouTube is regular and interesting content. So he explains him what he thinks that YouTube do when it detects that videos are of high quality, and how it pushes them more compared to some others which it considers that are not of such a good quality. So here also we see that this subreddit has upvotes. So the more upvotes it has, the Reddit is going to curate it above other posts in that subreddit, and that is going to be pretty much relevant when you're choosing which subreddit and which post to post in. And I'm now going to contribute to this post by answering my opinion on his question, and in this opinion I'm going to enter a link to my video. So that is going to help me gain views, because this is a trending topic and trending question, so it is going to have naturally more hits, and my video has a lot of chance to get viewed, and I'm going to have a lot more views by people coming from Reddit. So now I'm going to write something, and I'm going to speed this up a little bit so that you don't wait. Alright, now I'm going to head back to my channel, and I'm going to pick a video from my video list, and here it is going to be this video, because here I show people how to make money on Fiverr, which is pretty good video, and it helped a lot of people. So here you can see by engagement and likes, you see there are a lot of people that have been asking me for advices and have subscribed to my channel because of the content that I shared in this video. So I also suggest you guys check it out. And I'm also going to highlight this part here so that it pops up in people's eyes, so that they can continue reading and that they actually be enticed to click my video link below. So now I click comment, and this is how you are actually getting views from Reddit. People are going to read this content, you have given your opinion on this guy's question, and Reddit bots or moderators are not going to be, or most likely are not going to remove your link. That is, unless you're spamming every second. So this is how I managed to gain my views and triple them in just 2 days. So the key here is to be active, but to be active in specially curated posts which are in trending category here, and these posts are going to be naturally attracting visitors to your link, and you're going to get viewers and ultimately subscribers, which are going to help your channel grow, and you're going to grow your community, and you're going to become more famous on your YouTube. Alright, so let me invite you once more to visit my channel, check the content that I have been posting, and if you find it useful, simply subscribe and like my videos, and don't forget to leave me a comment in case you wanna ask me something or that you wanna make me make video about it. So stay tuned and see you until next video.